In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change position of taskbar in Windows 11. To begin, right-click an empty space on the taskbar and select Taskbar Settings. On your screen, you will see a context menu appear once you right-click. This menu contains several options, but you want to focus on the one that says Taskbar Settings. Selecting this will open a new window dedicated to customizing your taskbar. This step is essential because it brings you directly to the settings you need to modify the position of the taskbar. Once you click on it, you will be taken to a new interface where you can adjust various taskbar features. Next, click on Taskbar Behaviors to expand the section. After you open the taskbar settings, look for a section labeled Taskbar Behaviors. You will find it typically located towards the bottom of the settings window. When you click on it, this area will expand, revealing more options related to taskbar configuration. Expanding taskbar behaviors is crucial as it provides you with the necessary controls to adjust the taskbar alignment. You should see additional settings appear, allowing for more granular control over how the taskbar functions. Now, locate the taskbar alignment option. Within the expanded taskbar behaviors section, you will find several settings. The taskbar alignment option is what you need to focus on. It is usually positioned near the top of this subsection. This option dictates how icons and the Start menu are positioned on the taskbar. Identifying this setting is important because it is the key to changing the appearance of your taskbar. Once you have located it, you will be ready to make the adjustment for your taskbar's position. At this point, click the drop-down and change it from center to left. You will see a drop-down menu next to the taskbar alignment option. When you click on this drop-down, you will notice two choices: center and left. Select left to reposition the taskbar icons. This change will immediately make your taskbar align to the left side of your screen, just like in previous versions of Windows. This step is significant as it alters the way you interact with your taskbar, making it more familiar if you are used to older Windows versions. After making this change, you will see the taskbar adjust instantly, reflecting your new preference. By completing these steps, you have successfully changed the position of your taskbar in Windows 11. The taskbar now aligns to the left, allowing for a more traditional Windows experience. This adjustment can enhance your workflow, especially if you are accustomed to using a left-aligned taskbar. Remember, you can always go back to the taskbar settings to make further adjustments if needed. If you ever want to return to the centered position, simply follow the same steps and select Center from the drop-down. Thank you for following along in this tutorial. You now have the skills to customize your taskbar position to fit your personal preference. Enjoy your new taskbar layout and the enhanced productivity that comes with it.